Hey, hold up. Don't scroll past these carrots like they're some boring side dish, because these are different. We're talking California grown carrots, the kind that taste like they actually came from the earth and not a plastic bag, and giving them the treatment that they deserve. They simmer down in freshly squeezed orange juice, ginger, and just enough butter to make you wonder why you ever ate them any other way. With a hit of fresh lemon and honey at the finish, these carrots turn glossy, tender, and almost dangerous in how good they smell and taste. Then comes the twist with the garnishes. Thin slices of California dates, fresh basil leaves, and a fistful of toasted California pistachios for crunch. This isn't health food. It isn't purely comfort food either. It's just good food, made from the stuff California grows better than anyone else.